How to refer a friend in Skrill. First, visit the Skrill website and log into your Skrill account. So this is the main interface of Skrill. Here you can see settings. Click here. Then again click on Referrals program. In the referral section, you may find an option to generate your unique referral link. This link is what you can share with your friends. Copy the referral link provided by Skrill and share it with your friends. You can share it via email, social media, and other platforms. Then when anyone will join Skrill, you will receive rewards. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video.